at T0 minus 4.8 seconds.
10, 9,
अब कुछ ही क्षणों में ड्रम इंजन का इग्निशन होगा.
5, 4, 3, 2,
So L40s have been ignited and it's the liftoff of the S139 stage. A very majestic liftoff from the second launch pad.
Plus 10 seconds.
P1 tracking.
रॉकेट काफी गड़गड़ाहट के साथ इस समय जो है अपने गंतव्य की ओर.
139 and L40's performance normal.
So we just now heard the announcement. L40s and S139 stage is performing nominally. And the vehicle is piercing through the clouds.
इस समय रॉकेट जो है 250 मीटर ऊपर पहुंच चुका है और यहाँ हमको इतनी दूर बैठने के बाद भी काफी तेजी से गड़गड़ाहट की आवाज सुनाई पड़ रही है.
So we are at 47 seconds after liftoff. The first event that we look forward now is
सबसे पहले हमको ये देखना होगा कि ये
RSO to ROD, command executed. Roger.
Upper stage LH2 secure at flight level.
35. 30.
Status check.
Go Delta.
Go Orion. Grain board.
25.
Flight lock in.
T-minus 20 seconds.
15.
Rofi ignition.
10.
The igniters have been lit.
9. 8. 7. 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff at dawn. The dawn of Orion and a new era of American space exploration.
Oh, I missed it. That's funny. That is funny. There it goes. There it is. Yeah, there we go. Good job.
Pretty cool.
At least I got to see it. I might have got to take pictures of it, but I got to see it.
T-minus 90 seconds and counting. All systems are go. We're about 90 seconds from the launch of Space Shuttle Discovery.